Happy Sunday, Ndi. Nobody stop man. I am. Hey. I'm going to say every day, because I'm going to say every day, It was a man Abuja, but after so many calls, for that no need more Abuja today or yesterday, because Abuja was wasting of money or wasting of etiquette. I abali said I make you could and abali said it you done, you know. Even my walk on abali sick. Everybody. The update is this. Over my friend in Abuja, but only Igbo ko man over the traditional na government. His position na police force go DIG. Only Igbo. All my very strong contacts, my friends. And all my this very case here, Bosara Mathias. That guy because only Enugu State or DIG or on the force headquarters, Abuja. All my very good friend. Apogo me ye see abiko camera ka ga see on no okwu. We release Mathias. On what if for na Mathias emerita? The punishable, or they're punishable under the law, because Mathias is Rory, Mathias is Ebuhum Madi, Mathias Arahamunya Madi, Mathias Apahiko, and would then a murder, and would go in a robbery, not defamation of character. So I don't think now all to this kind of punishment. So I go more this my friend. See I become man I go mere mo no here go. Camera guys assault out bari ego. Kamata sabota. Ko wu ike face your family and nwunye muru nwa ofo. You know, people we can afford that Jpac the wicked, Jpac Joronjo. You only see side of Jpac on social media. You can only see side of Jpac on social media. You don't know me in real life. Before you talk about me, Jpac, you have to come close to me. For those people who are physical, Jpac, it won't be 1 naira. Or as someone Congo, back the war. But our war, Congo, no problem. Everybody talk about Congo. Go more than just Kuro Congo, listen. Bore a rescue and a savior. Mbe Ogaji kina ebe akwa na page here na wow. Everybody knows that I'm not Ogaji kina about. Man, that war ends in social media. I still call him make a video. You want them at the big watch about the video. Watch about the video Ogaji. See, I don't make a real on Facebook. I don't make a real on Facebook. It's never. Yes, life after social media. All those people need that with that Jpac, the enjoy that or that about what yeah, any feel or bro Jpac. In as much as na Mathias na Mona Mathias they want the same belief. I'm a pure Christian. Mathias was once a Christian before migrated to Omenala. But that does not mean no way family. It will be a something of mockery or a something of laughing jackass. I don't be familiar. This DIG name make a matter that na one day work yourself. Onye Igbo, Buko Enugu State. Buko Enugu State. Now that na the churches are the place on Mathias that no they recruit to they gonna fight religious war. Now they get into you. Now Mathias they recruit they gonna fight religious war, and therefore now the release got to go depending. because if my people are more na all those people na Africa, one on the social media career, the FCID, First Criminal Investigation Department, how on Facebook, how on internet, the CID, how on internet, FBI on internet, how on the could have Mathias recruit to the Ghana Riogo, the Gabriel's religious war in Nigeria. Now going baranda you know, these are the people and they never got supposed. But they feel concerned because of age one age, and they cannot keep quiet. They age Mathias. I never can matter a lot of people they make video and in the choir, I don't know. Somebody like Omenala Igbo example. Omenala Igbo example. You like Igbo example for now. When a native doctor with a problem, I got police. Police caution them. I should choose the kind of words I use on people, which I automatically did. And even since that I said, go now, or more the kind of views and more views and more followers. Carry that time I wanted to be a war. Only if you came. Let people let people focus on their business. Oh, for job, call out that person. To any who particularly say on the face here another thing. If I be this man, and that's why you say, I said I'm making a live video. Also, if you want to go live, but don't call my name, don't mention my name. So no problem, sir. If you got a Facebook on Equal, harassing a Mathias recruit to the guy fight religious war. Like this girl, how can you see? Amaramu, no, very beautiful girl, a very beautiful damsel. Mathias Ezeaku kwesịrị ịchọ ihe ọ ga-eji mmachineke nyere wee mee o were ị na-akpọ onye na-akpọ gị as if to say that na ị ga-anụ war Christian ma ọgụ religious war for whatever ka na-akpọ ife ọdịnala. Nọọsụ Mirage na-eme content na-emeke money. Eva comedy na-eme content na-emeke money. Ajara Nwosu bụ the king of onye omenala, king of Ogbanje. I have never seen Angela Nwosu before call out anybody one at a time. She's catching out in Dubai. Go apartments, recruit on them at an Agwu. Obasahara, if you call her name from that day tomorrow, Obasahara Angela Nwosu. Koro Obidi, name Wenke, if it na cause for Mathias more problem. And I wear then about one day. That is not a one day. Any government without making phone call to Abuja, all people that matter and plead for his release or going away when he see. Any government but you cannot be able to go. Only Mathias that is how a good fan see me. But a flight with his friend. Ga Abuja not there. Release here that first time he released it. Or if I about Onyabu or yeah, boy, strong fan. I'm not on Facebook. And I call out when I call her. They're not great to that man, that young man, more problem. And this is the problem. Megurumaz and the garage went on at detention. Because not the group terrorists. As not the group of terrorists. But the next year you hear them in Igbo. It's just a boom. I say yes, that this group will be terrorists. Why they are not terrorists? They are agitating for freedom. But the thing have to go back, hijack here the freedom, hijack here the fight, hijack everything. I never seen them mad. Oye butara Monday. Be yakara. So you're family. I want to do Ruana. Government and they say video. All those things matter. Government and they say video every Monday. Say video in them. Government and they say everything. So because I hijack them and I hijack them. As soon as I go to the terrorists, what is happening? Mgbe Sunday Igbo mgbe Sunday Igbo na higher the problem na Yoruba did not kill themselves. He make equal to our federal government that they have terrorists. I say And this is what is happening to this young man, Mathias. In a fight, name call, ne JJ, ne Tion, no Oku, ne Imeko na spend the go. Imeko ne aqua spend the go. Secretly, is also more by money, and then Abuja. Imeko na aqua spend man, aqua onye emera arrest one way working at real. Apato ya better million na the same Mathias abere arrest. But the same about the first money, first person with the ego back. You know why I am calling him is because let us remove sentiments. Let us remove no nya bo onye dibia, no nya bo onye omenala, no nya bo onye uka, no nya bo onye nka. Another person bo kuruora Ndi Igbo kuruora. Ani mo kuruora ademe ihe omenala. Okwe Christian, but okuruora tiri ego. Tio Ejiofor, Tio Kuano, they go. Where are those people? Or Igbo on Facebook, KJ release Mathias. Or Igbo on about Facebook. If Edna is a beautiful girl, but I don't know why she choose. She's my friend. It's a WhatsApp number, but I told him you call her out because I don't find you and funny. I'm going to say waja. Open him and you have a wabuja with ego. Send the ego with ego. KJ we made for bailout. Video never in vain. Because my own contact was not getting released here. Come on, here Jenebona. Nandiri no video na Facebook na tag hanine as in the recruit. On the Mathias recruit to start religious war. Here the file and the petition against Mathias now is religious war. Makande na ejekwa type here na type na video. You are putting that young man in problem. If I could speak with Mathias now, see in a video call, you are putting that young man into problem. And I know Mathias release here. And they have a series of video. Or video I made video I made the for 2 years now. Or Potago. Today. Put evidence about mother na nature. Evidence about mother na Nenugu. Evidence about roadblock for mother. Or that young man. Even when Nana this thing, let me be free first. Stop all this name. Killing and destruction is not part of Igbo culture. This thing, and 18 Nana more problem. I tell you here we fight for his release. Blocking road and everywhere, is it to fight for his release? You are putting that man into problem. And it's never talking with me. Mathias is not an outcast. He's an Igbo blood. Release Mathias on Sunday. Those FCID, Force Criminal Investigation Department, I don't have on Facebook where people are talking about Mathias. In our call, okay? Before you now call out money, need to go son 5, double lawyer, double senior advocate. You can just back it up. He went one night, he went connection, he went to his job. In our call out, in our call, okay? Since you could say, he may have a dibia. I mean, and with more followers. Because over here, I mean, money make a real Casana, or when he end when he had me. But those who send the demo, and no, I didn't care, not the Jaguar Kite, or where they are going. I'm how many people she won and was said, he said about me again. I will post your picture and your conversation. See, I think don't stop sending me that nonsense. When you are going to Bedibia, you Kite, another 2 million naira. Hey, Guaram, you didn't tell me. So what if opposite is the tradition or Gazeregi? Will you still remember me? No, there is the ego, Papa Jpac, a big one, Caporanga, Isiagu, Kaganabu, Jacobonian, Siaresabu, Uquagana generation. Because no, Gahara, the ego, it was him, Busogidi. Mobile marriage, they go away, I said to send our certificate. Coming years of legal and due process, a bit more Jpac. There they go. Because now, Nimerenka or Gaha. Opposite no Garaga, you got Thanksgiving. in a bomb in a Thanksgiving. I stop all those things. Oga, oh, you have never Guru Wayona the greedy. Oh, you have a pastor or Dibia. Guru Wayo is a greedy man, and Pastor Aham or Dibia have any case to answer. Because greedy person with a case to answer. Ebe with 1 million naira. Ebe with a 1 million naira. Where 2 million. Obi kagi were je wo kite ki we de ke fa yan oba he were 2 million naira je wo kite ki we de ke $10 or de ka Dangote then oruze ke ego nara ihe sibere gi kpaba na phone na ego ga na since ije watch ogwu ihe ji sibere gi otoro gbawo gi there because na mgbe ị na-eje kpọhom after all onye ọcha ka egwu wa yo we wute ego a only Igbo go you're one. You don't need to call out anybody. Almost with the life maybe even at 2024 by special grace of God. Or give go on your child while you only Igbo go you 1. Get out. Go and sort yourself out. After all, when here I don't know do you don't know do you not into our go on your child while you go your child while you only dibia but say gotta get the money. And I said Ndi Igbo the wicked or Ndi Igbo oh God, you are the most wicked person. For you to even think of going to on your child page je gwe wayo only Igbo bezie wuti format Omenala were gwo wayo na pocket the money itibe mgbu na onye ade weekend ka atọ n'ihu arụsị ọ gụrụ ka arụsị anyị egbu so egbu because igwuru onye ọcha wayo so biko nu amakwa m ka m ga-esi akwanya bụ onye okwu ara because ncheke egboro dere n'ozu anụ amara m ka m ga-esi atọ ọkụtụ ife edenanị Facebook is not paying you. When one night they went on Facebook, not just he decided the end, no, he decided in your life. He just motor to know wow, me pancake, but that took us a video. Kube Makamadi Begi. The same phone I they use and the same data I they use. Ka Angela was they use. When now catch more than 50 million naira every month. More than 30 million naira every month. Do you know what is called at the Facebook and $50,000 every month? I'm on Facebook worth $10,000. You don't have time to drag anybody. You will face what you will do anything. If Royan Baba Odogu and Aisha, the day I went to his office, Nenecha office Odogu, my yes. No, yeah, carry go or carry go on. I know the Baba Yamba say I be a call ya. Okay, they will also bought out with family or borrow way. On the guy for drag about mother. No way who go about come on or that and a good attract more enmity. Oh, what on ye? Not drag a wunya and wunya not drag you. This is content. But I'm not going to become a home. Then I come back about it. Although and I shall never know they are in contact with their family. If you're an Facebook is not paying you, they don't monetize. I'm going to monetize, you are no more monetized. You will not get cure problem. Always your work is your issue. If I want the money, justice. Man, they are no way now call her out. Allow government to do their work. When somebody commits crime, it is the duty of government to prosecute that person. I'm not giving them a certificate you prosecute the person. You are not a CID. You are not into law enforcement agency. Just because you go to the data. Go owned by a mortgage in America. But the same data 1,000 naira here. Not only got drag, no only got kocha, no only got call out. The same data here is Kora OBD is here where more than $40,000 almost 40 million monthly. Who do they guide on Facebook? Don't worry. Until most of these people know now who they feel have much jobless, have a bomb have we would have by the time how they don't buy on Facebook. Just 1 year of Facebook monetization. Just 1 year of Facebook payments. Have you done a investment had Diego Facebook in 1 year? Back here, Jaman go to Facebook. It's all yours here, man. mandated. Although, thank God, now breaking news this morning, Facebook is no longer paying any new pages now. Anybody may pay a new page now, you're on your own. Facebook is no longer monetizing again. MSC go room for monetization this morning, yesterday. MSC go room for monetization. They open a page with new page. Page open they created this year and last year. Facebook cannot monetize it again. 30 rules and regulations that if you pay, actually monetize your page, you must travel to Europe or go America or JUK. You must be in the country they eligible before they will monetize you. You know how in Nigeria with the 5,000 followers now, but no more. Do what you can. You do what you can to make money before time and now go for Mark Zuckerberg. Because only after 5 years now, Mark decided to Mark was over. But when King would just say he saved the where they buy investment. Or he did it. It's not so that is the update. You more after I try. That's why I know more with him the Abuja because and I'm about to see flight the Abuja when he see. Everybody series of complaint. Series of complaint. You think you claim to love Mathias Ezeaku. But mana in a series of video. Can I marry? Name and love Ezeaku, justice for Ezeaku. You need to the young man the problem. It's a video. When you video you may walk with you know get contact. You number DPO, which was your number commissioner of police. You number DIG, one need to number. Ego, you what the ego. Call it, make who transport a Bahaje. Just in that video. Oh yeah, because you are a criminal. You do fake prophet. No. He never made it. Mathias no problem. Had I talk about Mathias, no one recruit under the distance. No one do recruit. Why not Naka Mathias the Ocha? Thank God I'm not even reading any comments. I'm just saying what I know and the information I'm getting from Abuja. It's just okay, but it's what's a Jpac.